I'm here today at Moonshine Horsepower, Moonshine Harley-Davidson, getting to show you the new Star Racing valve spring that Jamie and I at Moonshine were able to collaborate on and create the finest valve train components that we can have for your Milwaukee 8. These are available at our starracing.com website. They're also available here at Moonshine. I just wanted to have a moment to share with you that this is the finest material we've ever had valve springs made out of, and it's the same material we use in our racing engines for 40 years, made in Detroit, Michigan. Titanium retainers made in Mooresville, North Carolina. JHE makes these retainers for us to our specification, fully rounded radiuses, edges everywhere, and we have billet steel valve locks that are made for a triple groove valve. I know you guys know me for our single groove top lock valve kit. This is for everybody else's valves that come from the factory with triple locks. Also, this spring is made tighter fit to the lower collars and the retainers than any spring on the market so far, so that we have more control over this at high RPM. This combination is much lighter than the ones everybody else sells, so we can go to a higher RPM without losing valve spring control like everybody else does. Check with us for more products on your Milwaukee 8 at starracing.com. And thank you.